What were the main business challenges you faced?
Oh, so there were a lot of challenges that we had because it was a big project. There were multiple websites. So just deciding on what platforms to use because you want to make decisions for the long term.
Yeah.
So yeah, coming up with what should be the foundation, what is our toolkit going to be was probably one of the biggest challenges in the start, at least.
Right. And how
So you help with that,
correct?
of course, as in helping us do research and researching the pros and cons of each platform and explaining to us what are the main differences. It was a growing process because, of course, it was the first time working together. So you don't know what to expect. Working with previous companies, we had bad experiences, so we were very cautious. But once deadlines are met and we hit certain challenges, technical challenges where something is not working, and we report it and we see that it's fixed, then that gave us more confidence along the way, where we eventually came to a certain point where if we note that something is not working correctly, that we have a lot of confidence that it will be fixed. I think overall exceeded our expectations actually, because going into the project, the costs were lower compared to a normal Dutch company. So in our minds, we did build a sort of like margin, as in we knew that it would probably be more expensive, and we knew that thought that communication will also be an issue that we might face. I don't think that was the case that much. Maybe in some small instances, but overall, it was not an issue because we have the project manager here in Holland, and which understands the culture and is able to communicate very well with us non-technical Dutch people, but also with your team. You were doing most of the communication, and within ClickUp, everything is being responded in English, and it's very clear. Yeah, our project was complex, as in a lot of programs needed to be connected to each other. The web shop with our ERP system and our PIM system that needed to be all connected. And that was new for me. So I explained it as good as I could. Yeah, it was a lot of trial and error, but very good explanations from you and your team on what is possible, what is not possible. And along the way, I learned, and it becomes easier and easier. I hope it's a long-term relationship and long-term partnership. I advocated towards my manager as a good partner, exceeded my expectations when it comes to communication and response time, pretty much direct most of the time. So awesome, very flexible. I highly advise you towards my manager and other partners as well, for sure.